Big Truck TV. Yesterday's video, if you guys saw, I painted the sprocket and like cleaned up the nuts and stuff on my other tire, one of the back tires, and I showed how I did the wheel bearings, how I like cleaned off all the dirt and stuff because they're seized and re-greased them. So today I'm going to be installing them back into the tires. I might clean this up a little bit, I'm not sure. I'm going to clean this surface a little bit and get these back in, and then I'll make a short, quick little video. So let's get into it. So I have these ones here, and I have these ones here. These are from the other tire. I'm going to be putting these ones on, so I have to get these, I don't know what you call them, little clips on, and they go right into that like crease, and then I'm going to place it here and just hammer it in, and this goes like in the center through here, and that's where the like axle goes through. It'll sit through there, and that way there it'll sit on the bearing like that. So let's get to that little crease. Yep. Alright, so now what I'm gonna do is clean just some of this rust off this wire brush. Get all that stuff off right here. Have to be perfect, but just want it a little bit cleaner than what it was. Do the other side. Looks a lot better than what it was. Do the same thing to the other side. Some more oil on the rag. And do the same thing. Alright, so how I'm going to put this first bearing in is I'm going to just sit it on there like that. Push it as hard as I can, which it's still not all the way in. Then I'm gonna grab the screwdriver, hold it like that, and just hit the top with the hammer. So let me try to set you guys up at a good angle so you can see it. Just busted my knuckle. Alright, so where's my other bearing? Right here. I gotta get that clip on the other bearing and then place it on here. I'm just gonna hammer it in. So let's get that clip on real quick. Let me do this by hand. I did the other one by hand. Alright, so this one here, I'm just gonna hit it in with the hammer because that screwdriver trick didn't seem to work how I thought it would. This is my first time doing this, so just hit it like that. Yep. Good. Alright. So I guess if you ever do this, just use a hammer. Should have just done that in the first place. That screwdriver was a stupid idea. I'm just going to wipe this up a little bit. If you enjoyed this video, I cleaned up the tire a little bit, and I cleaned up the rim. I think it looks a lot nicer. Now, I don't know if I'm going to do the other side, but that's like a before, and this is an after. So it came out pretty nice. That's the rim. This is the rim before, the rim after, and the tire. So I'm probably going to do the same thing to this side. But that's it for today's video. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you liked, please leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.